Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to constrain your UI elements to different part of screen easily using a margin container. So let's see. So I'll just create one sample project. I'll name it as demo. I'll just save it to desktop. You can save it wherever you feel like. I'll just click on create. So here you can see I'll just create one 2D scene. Sorry, not even 2D scene. I'll just remove this, sorry about that. I'll create it as user interface. Okay, and here we have the control node. Now I want to add few labels or maybe buttons in your case, and I want to constrain it to different part of the screen. According to me, the easiest way is to use margin container. I know you can do it without margin container as well, but I feel a margin container is a better choice because as a parent, because you always need to give some kind of margin to your labels. They don't exactly stick it to the screen. Even without margin container, like I said, it's possible. So just add a margin container. You will don't drag this to occupy the full screen. Just click on this but full rect, and it automatically takes the available space. Now I will just add few labels. So this is label, command D label 2, command D label 3. So for label 1 I'll just give it as 1, and like I said, I'll just change the font size to 40 maybe. Okay, now I want it to be at the top left, right? So I can come label 1 is selected, and here you will see where do you want it. You want it top. So first horizontal alignment should be start, and for vertical alignment it should be top, right? So here you can see it is at the top. For label 2, okay, I'll just change the both of this labels font size, theme override font size 50. Okay, and I'll name this as 2 and this as 3. Okay, now here you can see they are overlapping with each other. Now I want label 2 at the center of the screen, so I can just name it a horizontal alignment as center, vertical alignment is also center. So it was already at the center on vertical, that's why I didn't do anything. But if you see, if I click on label 3, it occupies the full width and height. Full width, sorry, not height, full width. Same was happening for label 2, but once I constrained it, it only occupies whatever is present inside, whatever is the label width and height. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So here we have label 3, and I want it maybe on the this particular side, bottom side, bottom right. So for bottom you have to click vertical alignment, this one, and for right, this one. Okay, if you want it to be full width, you can press this, but I don't want it. Just do this. What is this expand? I don't know, maybe it's not working for, I don't know. So yeah, that's how you can easily set constraints to your label using margin container in Godot Game Engine. Thank you for watching. Bye.